let's say I want to print out some data. I want to view what I'm receiving, what response I'm getting here. So here, the usual way to do it is console.log. That's an array of objects. So I'll view my array of objects. Now, the smarter way to do it would be, and smarter and cleaner way to do it would be, we replace the log with table. So it will be console.table. So if I check my output, now I have a table. Yeah, I have a table, and it looks much cleaner. I can see the index, the ID. Basically, all the data has been formatted in a cleaner way. So yeah, that's just a little neat trick to just make things all cool and elegant. Yeah, just to make things cool. Anyway, yeah, peace out, guys.